Welcome students, this is my new video of class 6 and your chapter is chapter 8, Introduction to Flash CS3. Okay, so we start. First topic is that is given on your book page number 88 and 89. So what is the topic? Topic is what is animation? Animation is the technique of creating an illusion of movement by rapidly displaying a sequence of still images with slightly varying positions or postures. So animation is a technique of creating an illusion of movement in which that there is not a real movement. This is the type of illusion of movement rapidly growing one by one of various types of images or pictures. In earlier days, creating an animation movie was very tedious process. One needed to draw similar looking but slightly different images manually on separate sheets of paper. This involved a lot of repetitive work. Thereafter, a mechanism was needed to display these images rapidly enough to create an illusion as if movement was taking places in the image. Look here, different steps in animation. First you draw this, then second, third, like that every images, every positions you have to draw on sheets of paper in the earlier days. But now in these days this is very easily and tremendous job to do that type of positions, that type of postures easily. These days, however, things have improved tremendously. The use of the computers and animation software has made the process of creation of animation movies simple and less time consuming. The technique of creating moving images using computers and animation software is called a computer animation or computer generated images, that is a CGI. So that softwares are a computer animation softwares or computer generated images softwares. So one computer animation software is a Adobe Flash. Animation software and Adobe Flash. An animation software is a special type of software that contains tools and features to allow us to create computer animation. There are a large number of animation software available these days, including Flipbook, Blender, 3D Studio Max, Maya, and of course the Adobe Flash. Adobe Flash is a popular animation software used for creating animations, games, and even full-length animation movies complete with sound and special effects. The Adobe Flash is a very popular animation software to create the games, animations, full-length movies based on animations with a very good sound and special effects. Flash is especially suitable for creating animations for websites since the size of a Flash movie is very small, which makes them easy to upload and download. And by using the Flash software, we can reduce the file size through which we can upload or download that animations files very easily. Students, do you know animations made using animation softwares are mostly tweened animations, where an artist is required to draw only the key images and the software will draw the intermediate images automatically. We have to only draw the basic image, okay, and using the software various steps and various positions or postures will draw automatically. So how we can start that Flash CS3? To start the Flash CS3, click on start, then go on all programs, then click on Adobe Design Premium CS3. CS3 means Creative Suite 3. C for creative, S for suite, and that is 3. Creative Suite 3. And then click on this Flash CS3 Professional. The Flash program window will open up on the computer screen with the components as shown below. That when you have to click on that Adobe Flash and CS3 Professional, then this type of window will appear on your computer screen. That is here written is here Adobe Flash CS3 Professional, and this is the title bar, okay, and this is the Flash document window. This is the menu bar, file, edit, view, insert, modify. Various menus are available here. This is the tools panel where are the various tools are given here, okay, through which we can make our animations very effective. This is the property inspector window, where all that properties of that object or that tools are shown here. Okay, and this is the panels, where are that various types of images and which type of slide and which type of objects you have to open, that is shown here. So this is the components of the flash screen. Students, remember, if instead of the above window a welcome screen opens on starting a flash CS3, just select flash file option from under the create new section to see the above screen. So this is the first screen of flash CS3 window. Parts of the flash CS3 window. So let us learn about the computer parts of the flash CS3 window one by one. One is the title bar. The title bar of flash shows the title of the program, the currently opened file, as well as the maximize or minimize and close button. In various types of application, you will see the title bar, okay, in which there is a title of that window and there is a minimize and restore button. Menu bar. The menu bar of flash contains the commands menu which can be opened by using the mouse. Okay, like this window, various window. Look, if this is the title bar of that scratch window, okay, and this is the minimize, maximize and restore button, and this is the menu bar. Here is a file and edit options. So like that, here is also a menu bar. The menu bar of flash contains the commands menu which can be opened by using the mouse click. The commands listed inside a menu can also be executed by clicking with the mouse. Document window. The flash document window opens inside the flash application window. It is here that we work to create a flash movie. Okay, this is the document window. Okay, this is the document window where we have to work to create a flash movie. Property inspector. The property inspector generally appear at the bottom of the flash window. It shows the properties of the currently open document or any object or tool currently selected in the window document. If the property inspector is not visible, by default you can open it by clicking on Windows properties and then or pressing by the Ctrl plus F3 keys. Okay, this is the property inspector window that is shown the currently open the properties of currently open document or any object or tool. Okay, tools panel. The tools panel or flash contains a number of tools that help us to create and modify graphics and text. Using the tool panels, we can modify or we can create the graphics and text. You can select a tool by clicking on it, the tools panel. Panels. Different kinds of panels that appear on the left or right side in flash window help us to perform different types of functions. For example, for the library panel, which is very important component of the flash program, can be seen almost always appearing beside the flash document window. We can put all the reusable objects that we create in flash here. We can drag and put an object from the library to the stage. Tools, colors, mixers, color swatches, align and transform panels are some other flash panels. So this is the library panel, okay, through which we can open a various types of tools. Okay, that is a color mixer tool, color swatches tool, align tool, transform panel. So students, this is the panels. Okay, where in this scratch window, that is the bottom right corner, there is a panel tool are available. Okay students, so these are the various types of part of the flash CS3 window. I will explain all that things one by one. On that practically I will show you in my next video. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.